Hi, I'm Ravi Kutmeni, Field Application Engineer at Infineon for the last 30 years. We are at Embedded World North America, and we're showing our best state-of-the-art PSoC Edge. This is our most recent kit. It's a PSoC Edge AI, and we are highlighting how easy we'll make it for the customer to do their design and cut their design cycle by at least half. I'm showing here the DEEPCRAFT Studio, and in this case, this actually kit that has PSoC Edge on it has 4 different sensors: speaker, actually microphone, radar, IMU, and temperature sensing. And in this case here, we're actually getting a signal from the microphone on this board, and we're capturing it with the computer to do modeling for machine learning. So I will get it started in this case. It will take a few seconds here to load and start recording, and then I'm going to record. As you will see it in this case here, as I'm talking to you, you will see actually on the screen, the lower graph is the audio that you're hearing from me now, and the upper one is based on the motion, how I shake the board. You will see the signal there. You can capture as much data as you can and create models and train the model in this case. I'll show you another example on this one by actually using video. So let's just start this one, and I'll go to this, and I'll play here. It will take about a few seconds to load it. In this demo, we're actually showing, just make it bigger. It will detect gestures on the hand. So it will detect a paper using the camera on the computer, or it will show a rock. And when you see the square on the picture, it's actually detecting the actual gesture there.
So is it doing that on the board?
It's doing that on the actual chip itself, yes. And this is our most recent.
A video source.
The video source is coming from the camera on the PC and collecting the data on the board, and the tool itself is to make you collect the data and create the model in more efficient way.
And so is this excellent demonstration of Edge AI?
That is first step there. Usually people will spend a lot of time in creating the model and basically in like collecting the data and creating the model and also training the model. In this case here, we're making it a lot easier for them to do that, and also to implement it directly on the silicon, because we have a very rich library like for audio in general. We have coughing, snoring, baby cry, siren, a bunch of other library element that they actually already modeled that is already basically trained and can be used immediately on the silicon.
Don't get fooled by fake HDMI products. Only source authentic HDMI products from licensed HDMI adopters and authorized manufacturers and
resellers to ensure compliance. Counterfeit or unlicensed products can cause poor performance.
Certified HDMI products undergo official testing for safety and spec compliance.
Avoid brand damage, warranty issues, and customer dissatisfaction from unlicensed products.
Long-term cost savings come from reliable, genuine HDMI solutions.
Unlicensed products may lack support and pose safety risks.
Use certified HDMI cables with official HDMI certification labels.
Report suspected counterfeit products at hdmi.org/resource/infringe.
Thanks to our global partners for helping keep the HDMI brand real and ensuring consumers get the experience they deserve.